Here are the 7 health advantages of fishing to see why, whether you're a match angler or a weekend hobbyist, it's a terrific way to improve your mental and physical welfare. 1. Fishing keeps you fit. Your main muscle groups, heart and lungs all get a decent workout when you go fishing. Choosing a fishing place within walking distance of your home, or a 10 to 15 minute walk from your car, is an obvious way to increase your aerobic exercise. Did you know that more than 8 million people live within 1,000 meters of a canal fishery? However, it takes some strength to set up, cast off, and then land hundreds of little fish. Not to mention some of the massive carp and pike that may be found in our waters. In an active workout, it engages the shoulders, back, arms, core, and legs. Another fantastic strategy to meet your gentle aerobic activity goals is to include lure fishing in your itinerary. It's a total body workout that doesn't include the stress of going to the gym. It's possible you didn't even notice. 2. Fishing increases your vitamin D intake. Even if the sky are gloomy, stepping outside allows your body to replenish vital vitamin D supplies, as long as your skin is exposed. Vitamin D keeps your bones and teeth healthy by regulating the quantity of calcium and phosphate in your body. It strengthens the immune system and has been connected to the treatment of depression. 3. Fishing improves your concentration. According to studies published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, being outside and paying attention to your surroundings improves your capacity to concentrate. Walking in the woods or simply sitting under a canopy of trees causes changes in the brain that boost concentration. This is especially obvious in young people like Daniel Laws, who was once raucous. 4. Fishing reduces stress. Stress keeps 40% of adults awake at night, but simply being near water reduces anxiety and instills a sense of serenity. More and more charities are becoming aware of this and are beginning to exploit fishing's therapeutic effects to treat PTSD and other ailments. 5. Fishing with friends. Whether you participate in competitions or simply nod a greeting to the angler on the next peg, when you join an angling club, you become part of a community, regardless of your age. You can participate as much or as little as you choose, but being in the company of like-minded people, having a common interest, and making new friends is a terrific way to spend the day. 6. Fishing improves your self-esteem. Personal objectives are at the heart of fishing, and achieving them is a surefire way to boost self-esteem. It's also a skill that you may learn at any age and enjoy for the rest of your life. Every angler recalls their first successful catch. Just look at how excited they get when they talk about it. Fishing is a fantastic skill to pass down. Many fishermen recall a parent, grandparent, or other relative telling them how to catch their first fish at a nearby canal. You may even become a Let's Fish instructor if passing on your expertise and enthusiasm appeals to you. Fishing is a wonderful pastime to learn since it fosters feelings of security and well-being by allowing you to spend time with your family. 7. Fishing lets you unplug. While most people go fishing on weekends, we notice a lot of fishers near our canals after work. So turn off your computer and emails, put down your gaming console or tablet, and gaze out the window at the lovely lake. Thank you for watching this video.